How to care for dogs. Hello and welcome to Video Jug. We're going to show you the basics of dog care. First, decide if a dog is the right pet for you. Dogs are demanding pets as they need companionship, regular exercise, and proper training. Getting a dog is a big commitment, and this film only covers the basics of caring for your pet. You should buy your dog from a reputable breeder or a rescue center. If these canine attributes fit your lifestyle, go get your new friend. Step 1. Housing and bedding. Dogs need their own bed and blanket in a quiet corner of a room where they're able to see what's going on. It's best to put your dog's bed in a draft-free corner of the kitchen, as it should be warm and have a washable floor. Your dog will need a food and water bowl and bedding which should be warm, dry, and comfortable. It will need a well-fenced garden where it can exercise and play. Step 2. Handling. Lift your dog by standing sideways next to it and taking the weight of the chest and hindquarters in both arms. Stroke it every day, running your hands over its body, legs, and head so that it will be comfortable when examined by a vet. Step 3. Diet. Dogs can get the right nutrients from pre-prepared food and biscuits available in pet shops. Many dogs won't eat all they need in one feeding, so it is best to feed your dog 2 small meals a day, depending on its size. Feed the smallest quantity recommended for your size of dog and only increase this if it starts to look thin. Give your dog the same type of food every time to stop it becoming fussy, and take the bowl away after 15 minutes. Older dogs and dogs that have been neutered will need less food. Give your dog sterilized marrow bones rather than cooked bones, which can splinter. It will also need fresh, clean water every day. Step 4. Exercise and play. Dogs shouldn't be left on their own for more than 4 hours a day, as they will become lonely and destructive. Dogs love to play, but shouldn't be forced if they're trying to sleep. Buy safe, chewy toys and change them regularly so they remain interesting. Walk your dog every day. The amount of exercise and space it needs will vary depending on its age and breed. It will show signs of tiredness when it has had a long enough walk. Your dog can be taken off the lead only in safe, traffic-free areas as long as it has been trained to come back. See Video Jug's How to Train Your Dog to Come When Called to find out how. Step 5. Cleaning. It is important to clean up after your dog when you take it for a walk. Use gloves or a pooper scooper, as dog feces can contain a worm which causes health problems for humans. To stop your dog from using the house as a toilet, give it plenty of praise when it uses the garden. Bedding should be aired every day and washed or replaced every week. Step 6. Grooming. Dogs should be brushed every day to keep their coats in good condition. Different breeds will need different amounts of washing and grooming, so ask a vet or groomer about how often and what sort of brush you should use. Remember to brush the tummy and between the hind legs. Grooming is a good way to bond with your dog while you can check its skin and coat for health problems. Step 7. Health. A healthy dog should be alert and bright-eyed with no signs of discharge around the eyes, mouth, or nostrils. The skin should be clean with no lumps, bumps, or inflammation. Your dog should have a clean, glossy coat and no signs of diarrhea around its tail. It should be able to walk without limping and have clean teeth and gums. Keep its teeth clean with chews, strong toys, and canine toothpaste and brushes available from your vet. Dogs need vaccinations throughout their lives, which can be expensive, but are vital to your pet's well-being. They need regular treatment for fleas and worms. In the UK, it is a legal requirement for a dog to wear a collar and tag, which should be loose enough to fit 2 fingers under. Vets also recommend microchipping to help identify your pet if it goes missing. Have fun with your dog!